Hello again. This is a short video to explain how to determine the theoretical yield in a chemical reaction. So what mass in grams of hydrogen is formed when 3 moles of aluminum reacts with excess hydrochloric acid? So there is some information already being given to you in this problem. So they're saying basically your aluminum is the limiting reactant and combining with or reacting with excess hydrochloric acid. So this is excess. And you're being asked to determine the theoretical yield of hydrogen gas in grams. That's right. So every time you calculate theoretical yield, you base it on the limiting reactant. So you're going to compare the ratio of the limiting reactant here, aluminum, to that of hydrogen. So the mole ratio from the balanced chemical equation is 2 to 3, which means 2 moles of aluminum upon reaction with hydrochloric acid in this equation gives 3 moles of hydrogen gas. But in the problem they want you to calculate the amount of hydrogen gas that is produced when 3 moles of aluminum reacts with excess hydrochloric acid. So the amount of hydrogen gas that is produced is our unknown quantity. So I can cross multiply that, so that would be 2x would be equal to 3 times 3, which is 9 moles of hydrogen gas. So x would be equal to 9 over 2, which is 4.5 mole. But the question that is being asked here is in grams. So you have to convert this 4.5 mole of H2 to grams. So all you have to do is multiply the mole by the molar mass of H2. Remember, it's not H, it's H2, so it's about 2.02 grams E per mole is the molar mass of H2. So that would be approximately, let's say you can use a calculator and come up with an actual, the most precise answer, but approximately for this video's sake, let me round that off to, let's say, 9.0 grams. So 9 grams of hydrogen is the theoretical yield in this reaction where your aluminum is the limiting reactant. So that completes the video on theoretical yield. Remember, you always calculate theoretical yield based on the limiting reactant, not the excess reactant.